it is asked by so many people who knew me, because my channel is not very known to people, but they are repeatedly asking me what I have done and how I have transformed myself. So there are many revelations and simple tips which I have applied on myself. I will share with you guys. And as I have mentioned, shocking revelations, there is no such shocking revelations. It's just to attract your, you know, grab your attention. I just wrote that. So just to share, I just wanted to, this is one of the like mitti ka tawa and one seasonal sabzi. If you will see the seasonal sabzi, that is ग्वार की फलियाँ एंड मिट्टी का तवा अभी चूँकि सामने था इसलिए आई शेयर विद यू. तो आई स्विच्ड ऑन दीज स्मॉलर थिंग्स which I guess directly or indirectly helps you to get fitter and having good skin. And now I'm making a tea. That is a bad habit of me. But I will tell you all these things. So stay tuned and I will let you know the things which I have tried in my life and how I have transformed myself. I was not in a rush, and I urge everybody of you to be not in a rush to transform yourself bluntly and out of the blue. One day you are coming with very lean and this kind of figure or a structure. Don't do that. So I will share my own tips and tricks with you and what I have done, and I have achieved whatever I am. I'm not saying I'm very slim now. Even I have a belly fat around my waist area. I have fat accumulation in some parts of my body, which in future, if I would be able to reduce that, I will try to do it. So there will be always some goals to work on, and there should be goals to work on. Nahi to you will not work, you will stop doing your fitness trainings and all that. So I will come to all those points. I will cover all this, but this video might be slight longer, but stay tuned and get fit like how I have done it. If you can do it, it will take time, but it will definitely help you in boosting up your confidence, your personality, and to become a better version of yourself. So I am having tea, which is not good for health. It's not bad, but not very good for health, because it is milk wala tea. But the good point is that I used I'm using jaggery from the past 2.5 years. So why I mention this, I will mention all these things, that I started finding some small tips for me, because I know I cannot quit tea. Maybe I can quit tea, but for now I cannot, because of my profession and for my liking. Why to hide these things? I really like to have tea, as many as I can. So I thought, if I cannot give up my tea, so I should do something good about it. So I started using jaggery, and I really like the taste. Now I have developed the taste of jaggery. I don't like tea which have white sugar in it. I am sharing this a small thing with you, just to tell you that because it is you only that will decide what is good for you, if you like the taste or not. These are sustainable things which you can do, and these are very important, and in future it will definitely contribute to your fitness. So I have come my balcony and now making a video. And this is a beautiful evening. Birds are chirping. I don't know you are able to hear the sound of birds or not. There is, in far you can see a beautiful tree laden with fruits. It is called bel patthar, and it is very, very good for stomach. And since I have bought my bottle and abhi mujhe dhyan aaya, so I thought to share with you. I use this bottle just to tell you that you should avoid using plastic bottles. This is also contributing a great deal to your health. I'm telling you, these are small things that we don't care about. These small habits, like using plastic bottles. And plastic bottles always, like if you put water in it and use it for long, the plastic starts corroding and it goes into your body. And as we all know, plastic is non-biodegradable. So try to avoid that. Use mitti ka bottle. Use these kind of metal bottles, which is really good for the health. I keep water into this and drink, and like I always drink water from this bottle only. Filled it up in the night, and in the morning first thing I take water from this bottle only. Better I make it lukewarm. This is beautiful palm tree. I'm liking this weather and having my tea. The first important tip from my side is make sustainable goals. Means always try to make goals that is best suited for you. Never rush and never see some other persons doing what they are doing, because it is their life, their time, what suited to them they do it, but it is not that it will suit the same for you. You have to decide that in your busy schedule, yeah, the kind of job or work you do, what is best suited for you. Like I'm a very when I have started my fitness journey, I started in 2017, and I never thought it will be last as long as it is till date now. I don't know whether it will going to last for more or not, but at least in present, I think I will. So I have decided to work on my tummy part, because सबका concern tummy ही होता है, क्योंकि सबको tummy दिखता है. Then slowly 5 minutes की exercise when I've started, people laughed at me. क्या होगा 5 मिनट की exercise से? Nothing is going to work out and you are not going to get any result. एक एक घंटा लोग gym में दे रहे हैं, and then also their tummy is not going inside. और I am giving you this tip. I have read one sentence and said by someone, one of the YouTuber only, that consistency is the key to reach any goal. अगर आँख कान खुला हो तो उसको और ध्यान से सुनिए. Once, twice I am repeating it. Consistency is the key to reach any goal. Learn this, recite this. This is the only key of my fitness. If whatever I have achieved, I am not saying I am very lean. I am a healthy person. I am not a lean person. But whatever I have achieved in my body is just because of the little bit of consistency which I perform. Means I make sure that in a month, if I'm not very traveling, if my routine is as much as I can follow, apart from the periods and periods. In periods also, sometimes if I feel well, I perform my exercises. If you feel better, you can do in that also. Maybe someday I can make video on that also, what exercises you can do in during your periods if you feel well. So the first important tip is that make sustainable goal. Start from the goal which you can achieve. I started with 5 minutes of exercise. Then that 5 minutes of exercise started working on me. Then I extended to 10 minutes. Then I started doing 10 minutes of yoga along with that exercise. I don't know when it is extended to 30 minutes, and sometimes it is 1 hour. And in the home only. In my life till date, with very immense proud I can say that I have never gone to any gym and I have never done any dieting. Any dieting. It doesn't mean that you should eat all the time puri, pakodi, pizza and pasta. But I eat what I make and I don't compromise on that. Everybody who know me very well, they know that I with chai I like to have snacks that is very like fried and these things. So I know that this is the time when I will take all these junks. Then I make sure that I will take a healthy lunch and a healthy breakfast. As I have shown you in my kitchen, seasonal vegetable. So switch on to the seasonal fruits and vegetables in um, in your diet, and it is going to help you in immense ways. I cannot stress much on it. I have recently started taking, even when I change something in my routine, I write it. I have a good habit of writing that into my diary. I have written and mentioned the date also, that from this date I have started taking fruits, because I was eating very healthy fruit. I eat ankurit like sprouts, and daily on the daily basis I take oats, and then apart from this, roti sabzi, healthy staple food of India. But I have never stressed on fruits. I don't know why fruits never attracted my attention. The fruits were never included into my diet. Then I started taking fruits, and I have literally found so many change in my body. Means my digestive system really improved a lot. I was eating such a healthy food, but still I have the problem of constipation, and it was a very persistent problem. I have bleeding stools, and I face a immense, like, huge problem, and all these problems were sorted out when I started taking fruits. I just noticed that this is a slight difference in my routine. Rest, all things are same. I was very amazed with this thing. So try to include the seasonal fruits into your diet, and seasonal vegetables, green as good as anything. So green fruits help you in so many ways. You know that you get lot of minerals and iron from that. Especially girls, you should switch on that. Third, which you think is not of much concern, but I will say it is the most important concern. Never compare yourself with others. Yeah, it's a very serious matter. If I would have compared myself with other people, I would not have opened a YouTube channel, to be very frank, because I am not that lean. I'm not that lean girl. I don't have that kind of figure or a personality which, that girls who make fitness channel. तो मैं सोचते रह जाती, मैं कभी YouTube चैनल ही नहीं खोलती. बट मैंने सोचा कि what I have achieved, I would like to share to the people. This is my journey, and I have reached this place which has taken a lot of time. So you also decide your journey, because what is best suited for you, you know. आप उसको कितने दिन में अचीव करना चाहते हैं, आप जो है उस आप ही डिसाइड करेंगे. क्योंकि खाना आप किसी को देख के कंपेयर तो कर लेते हैं कि दिस पर्सन इज़ डूइंग ओनली 10 minutes एंड ओनली फॉर 10 days एंड ही एंड शी इज़ गेटिंग लीन एंड फिटर. बट यू डोंट कंपेयर कि आप क्या खा रहे हैं, वो क्या खा रहा है, उसकी लाइफस्टाइल कैसी है, आपकी लाइफस्टाइल कैसी है. ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स काउंट सो मच, एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीप यू आर टेकिंग, द अमाउंट ऑफ स्लीप दैट पर्सन इज़ टेकिंग. बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं. तो कभी भी किसी व्यक्ति से अपने आप को कंपेयर मत करिए. अगर आप कंपेयर करेंगे तो आप कभी खुश नहीं रहेंगे, और कभी भी कभी भी मतलब सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होंगे रिज़ल्ट से. मैंने इतने टाइम लगा करके इस चीज़ को अचीव किया, और जब मैं किसी को बोलती थी कि मैं 2 महीने हो गए और मेरे मतलब, तो पीपल लाफ एट मी. पीपल से दैट क्या फ़ायदा, 2 महीने से एक्सरसाइज करो, तुम्हारा 4 किलो वज़न भी कम नहीं हुआ, हमने 1 महीने में 8 किलो वज़न कम कर लिया. बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, नाउ दोज पीपल आर वेरी फैट. आई एम सॉरी, बट आई एम सेइंग कि कभी कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए किसी को भी, क्योंकि उनका वो गोल था, उन्होंने अचीव किया, देन दे स्टॉप्ड इट. आई नो कि मेरे लिए क्या सस्टेनेबल है, मैंने वही किया और मैं उसको कर पा रही हूँ. तो हमेशा वही चीज़ें प्लान करिए जो आप फ्यूचर में भी कंटिन्यू कर पाएँ. तो अपने आप को कंपेयर मत करिए, और जो भी आप करें उसको कंसिस्टेंट होकर के करिए. अगर आप उसमें कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहेंगे तो आप कुछ भी करेंगे, आप बाद में फिर जाके वैसे ही हो जाएंगे जहाँ से आपने शुरुआत की थी. तो आप वो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहते हैं. तो वही काम करिए जो आप कर सकते हैं. अगर 10 मिनट्स ही कर सकते तो 10 मिनट्स ही करिए, पर रेगुलर कीजिए, और रिज़ल्ट की चिंता मत करिए. ये सोच के करिए कि पहले तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे ना, तो एटलीस्ट कुछ कर रहे हैं. नहीं बेनिफिट कर रहा तो नुकसान तो नहीं कर रहा ना. तो नुकसान कोई चीज़ नहीं कर रहा तो कंटिन्यू करिए. मैंने यही सोच के किया कि चलो मुझे नहीं फ़ायदा करा, क्योंकि इनिशियली नहीं रिज़ल्ट मिलता है. तो मैंने यही सोचा मुझे नहीं फ़ायदा करा तो एटलीस्ट नुकसान तो नहीं कर रहा है, तो मैं इसको कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. समथिंग इज़ बेटर देन नथिंग. कभी किसी को मिसगाइड मत करिए. कभी जो आप कर रहे हैं उसको वही सबको बताइए और लोगों को मोटिवेट करिए. मैंने अपने YouTube चैनल पे कभी भी ऐसे पिक्स ना फ्यूचर में डालूँगी, ना मैंने अभी तक डाली है. जैसे लोग बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक इमेज डाल करके लोगों का अटेंशन ग्रैब करते हैं. मैं देखती हूँ मिलियन व्यूज़ उनको मिल रहे हैं. मैं देखती हूँ सेम ही लड़की है, पूरा एनिमेटेड, उसने एक तरफ लेफ़्ट साइड में फ़ोटो डाल रखी है, साफ दिखता है वो एनिमेटेड है, बहुत बड़ा सा उसका पेट निकला हुआ है, एंड नेक्स्ट फ़ोटो में बहुत लीन सी दिखती है और दिखता है इन 7 days. You can imagine in 7 days it is not possible. It is entirely impossible valuable thing she is saying, or the person who is showing all those people. I never want to misguide any people. अभी तक मैंने कभी किसी को मिसगाइड नहीं किया है, क्योंकि मुझे यही एक चीज़ है जो पसंद नहीं. इनफैक्ट मैंने देखा है कई लोग बहुत छुपाते हैं, दे डोंट टेल देयर सीक्रेट्स व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. I don't know, it makes me very happy when people ask me and when I tell them what I have done in to achieve this. So and when they come to me and say कि we have started doing this and we are seeing visible results, it makes me very very happy. So मैंने जब start किया था, मैं regular थी नहीं थी, but still I tell people कि मैंने ये किया, मैंने ऐसे किया, आप भी करिए. तो at least don't misguide anyone, motivate people around you, go with for a walk with the family, motivate your family members, especially the people who are getting old, they are not into this fitness and all. Make them walk for at least 20 minutes a day. These small things, you know, make you closer to your family and also make them happy and healthier. There is no shocking revelations. आप सोचेंगे कि ऐसा वीडियो बनेगा कि 7 दिन में आपका बिल्कुल फिटनेस जो है अपग्रेडेड हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल एक मोटा व्यक्ति एकदम पतला व्यक्ति बन जाएगा. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. एवरीबडी नो दैट इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल इन 7 days. आई डोंट नो व्हाई यूट्यूबर मेक ऑल दीज काइंड्स ऑफ वीडियोज़. दे रियली मिसगाइड पीपल टू गेट व्यूज़. कोई ऐसा मैजिक ड्रिंक नहीं है जो आपको एक हफ्ते में पतला कर देगा. जो डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक्स बनाते हैं लोग, डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक ज़रूर पीना चाहिए. इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. यू जस्ट कीप ऑल दीज थिंग्स इनटू योर डेली रूटीन. इट विल क्लेंस योर बॉडी, बट इट विल नॉट से दैट, मतलब इट विल नॉट क्रिएट 7 days इम्पैक्ट. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. आपने अगर आप सोचो किसी 10 साल से इकट्ठा कर रहे हो कोई चीज़, 10 दिन में कैसे ख़त्म होगी? एटलीस्ट उसको 10 महीने तो दे दीजिए, 10 हफ्ते तो दीजिए कम से कम. मैं 10 महीने भी ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ अगर तो. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनी शॉकिंग रेलिवेशंस. दीज थिंग्स टेक टाइम. और अगर जो टाइम नहीं दे रहा है तो वो बहुत आर्टिफिशियल तरीके से चीज़ों को ख़त्म कर रहा है. तो जो चीज़ आप जितनी स्मॉलर टाइम स्पैन में ख़त्म कर रहे हैं या आर्टिफिशियल तरीके से ख़त्म कर रहे हैं, वो उतनी जल्दी वापस आएगी और उतने ख़तरनाक तरीके से वापस आएगी. ऐसा मेरा मानना है. आई डोंट नो इफ़ पीपल बढ़िया है अगर ऐसा ना हो तो, लेकिन ऐसा मैंने होते हुए देखा है. मैंने कभी इसीलिए शॉर्टकट्स नहीं अपनाए, ना मैं किसी को प्रमोट करूँगी टू अप्लाई ऑल दीज शॉर्टकट्स into their lives. So I was telling, like, everybody has its own importance of their work. So I am also a working woman, and I have also a job of 9 to 5, and in fact 9 to 5:30. And sometimes it even takes more time. Sometimes I am home at 9 p.m. in the night also. I also travel a lot, sometimes due to job, and also my family is far apart. I have to go visit to my friends. Then all these things really disturb my routine a lot. But somehow I try to manage my whatever I can do in my routine exercises. If I'm not able to do plank and all, then I will do standing abs exercises. So I'm telling you all these things because everybody is doing some kind of work. Might be business, might be a professor, teacher, might be a student, and they are studying, so they don't have time. But I'm telling this thing that everybody is busy, everybody is doing something, but you have to take time of your own. If you are comfortable in the morning, try to perform only 10 minutes of exercise in the morning. 5 minutes, start with 5 minutes, not even 10 minutes, like I have started for 5 minutes. If you are comfortable in the evening, then you do it in the evening, as I do. Sometimes I am super busy in the morning, then I do it in the evening. So the gist is, and the crux is, that you have to perform it daily. कैसे भी करो, बस एक दिमाग में एक चीज़ बना लो, करना है तो करना है. अगर आज नहीं कर पाए तो कल दोबारा करेंगे, बट करेंगे. ये नहीं कि आज नहीं कर पाया छोड़ ही दिया, फिर 1 महीने कुछ नहीं किया. ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. करना तो पड़ेगा. हाँ, महीने में आप 20 दिन करिए, नहीं 30 दिन कर पा रहे, 20 दिन करिए, कम से कम 25 दिन अच्छे, क्योंकि आपको 1-2 दिन रेस्ट डे भी चाहिए होता है. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग हैवी एक्सरसाइज, आई डोंट थिंक सो आई नीड अ रेस्ट डे बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एनी जिम एंड हैवी ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल दैट. आई डू वेरी सिंपल एंड लाइट एक्सरसाइजेस. दैट्स वाई आई हैव टेकन सो मच ऑफ टाइम टू अचीव दिस. सो आपको जो बेस्ट सूट करता है करिए, बट डू इट. Whatever, you don't follow me, you follow anybody, but you have to follow that person consistently. if you are not following that routine, that means regime is very important. You have to make a very good and good regime, and you have to be like sticking to it for a while, then only you will achieve desired goals. In last, I am trying to tell this ki don't think that I am stressing only on physical fitness and beauty. If this channel is all about fitness and physical beauty, then I would have created a channel only based only on yoga and exercises. But this is a channel of like amalgamation of so many things, nature and environment. Why all these things? For me, like happiness, for happiness, the first most important thing is your physical fitness. That's why I'm stressing a lot on the physical fitness. But if you are happy in any contest, like in any shape, size, color, you should be happy from inside. For me, for happiness, the physical fitness is the most important prerequisite. It is my perspective, might be not yours. So that's why I stress a lot on physical fitness. It boosts up your confidence, and all these things, indirectly make you happy. When people say that you are looking good, and when people say that you have improved a lot, and it is not about even all these things, it is all about how good you feel from inside. So my stress is more than enough on how good you feel from inside. Do things which make you happy, but doesn't mean that if it makes you happy and hurting other people, that is not I am saying. The thing is, if it doesn't hurt anyone, but if it makes you happy, do all those things. That dancing makes me happy, so I dance a lot. Do whatever you like, which relieve your stress, which relieve your tension, anxiety, and uh, engage yourself and see how good you feel. That's the only thing I wanted to stress. Namaste, have a good day, and God bless us all.